Ever watched your Fold 7 slip and your heart skip a beat? Today's lineup features the toughest cases built to take the hit, so your phone doesn't have to. Welcome to the channel. Stay with me and check out all 6 beasts, and don't forget to grab yours through the links below. The number 6 product on our list is SIXBOX Wallet Rugged. Ever imagined a wallet that guards your Fold 7 like armor? That's what this rugged beast delivers. Designed for real-world chaos, it wraps your phone with firm polycarbonate protection, adds a sliding camera cover, and even shields that delicate hinge. Smart, right? The hidden card slot brings serious freedom. Ditch the bulky wallet without losing essentials. Plus, the detachable pen holder is a thoughtful bonus for stylist lovers. Now, let's be clear. This one's not made for wireless charging fans. But if you value rugged strength, clever design, and daily convenience, this case is a powerful companion. It's part of the toughest lineup for a reason. Those seeking slim elegance might look elsewhere, but for real durability with smart storage, this case delivers peace of mind where it matters most. Number 5 is Urban Armor Gear. Can a case be featherlight and still survive battlefield-level abuse? This one proves it. Built for real-life chaos, it blends a shock-absorbing TPU frame with a translucent back that feels rugged yet refined. Whether you're gripping tight during a morning commute or tossing it into a gym bag, the anti-slip texture adds confidence. Its raised bezels guard both camera and screen like silent bodyguards, while the airsoft corners absorb impact where it counts. Magnetic charger? Car mount? No problem. It clicks on flawlessly thanks to its integrated magnetic module. It's part of the toughest lineup for a reason, especially if you demand military-grade strength without the usual brick-like feel. This case isn't for minimalists. It's for those who live fast and want protection that keeps up no matter what the day throws their way. Number 4 is SUPCASE Military Grade Protection. What if your Galaxy Z Fold could take a 20-foot drop and walk away without a scratch? This beast makes that possible. Designed with full hinge protection and fortified corners, it turns your fragile foldable into a tank disguised as a phone. The built-in tempered glass doesn't just defend the screen, it keeps clarity sharp and touch silky. One of the standout members in any toughest case roundup. It's engineered for those who live bold, construction sites, outdoor treks, or clumsy days at home. The integrated kickstand adds versatility without bulk, and MagSafe compatibility is the cherry on top for modern convenience. Yes, it's thick. Yes, it means business. But if your priority is protection with smart utility, this rugged warrior is worth every penny. The third one on our list is i-Blason Full Body Protective. Ever seen a foldable armored up like a tank but still feel sleek in the hand? That's exactly what this case delivers. With its bold all-around coverage, including built-in tempered glass, rugged hinge shield, and reinforced bumpers, it confidently joins the toughest case category without apology. Whether you're commuting, adventuring, or just notoriously clumsy, it wraps your device in serious defense while keeping every feature accessible and functional. The magnetic alignment is impressively snappy for MagSafe setups, and the sturdy kickstand flips out effortlessly for movie nights or Zoom calls. It does feel a bit bulky at first, but that's the trade-off for peace of mind. For users who value impact resistance more than ultra-thin looks, this one's a smart, satisfying upgrade that balances strength, convenience, and durability. On number 2 is Spigen Slim Armor Pro. Ever wondered if a case could outsmart drops and still feel sleek in your hand? This one answers that with confidence. Its spring-loaded hinge protector glides like clockwork, shielding the most delicate part of your foldable while adding zero friction to your daily routine. That alone solves a huge concern many users have: hinge vulnerability. Layered with a shock-absorbing frame and a secure interlocking design, it's been tested to survive more than just accidental slips. Unlike bulkier, rugged cases in this toughest lineup, it blends protection with a slimmer profile, making it ideal for power users who don't want to compromise on style. The fit is snug, and the magnetic support enhances your charging setup effortlessly. A smart choice for those needing military-grade assurance without the weight of a brick. Now moving to the last one is TORRAS, 360-degree spin magnetic. Can a phone case transform how you use your device every single day? This one comes shockingly close. The standout feature is its 360-degree spin stand. Engineered like a pro tripod, it pivots smoothly for hands-free comfort, whether you're on Zoom or binging Netflix. Combine that with a stealthy magnetic snap system and you've got unmatched convenience, especially for magnetic charging or car mount. While many tough cases sacrifice usability for bulk, this balances rugged protection with sleek design. Its textured grip and military-grade drop resistance make it a dependable everyday carry. And those hinge and screen reinforcements? They silence the worry of damage without needing extra layers. Compared to others in this toughest lineup, it feels smarter, more refined, and built with purpose. If your day demands style, strength, and a little movement magic, this might just be your new essential. Among all, TORRAS 360-degree spin magnetic stands out as the ultimate pick, combining elite protection, magnetic power, and unmatched versatility. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best Galaxy Z Fold 7 toughest cases. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.